Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the Starship Enterprise. Its continuing mission to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no one has gone before.
Captain's log, stardate 0707-2023. It's amazing, this planet. They're all dressed up, they're all smiling and laughing. I don't know what's happening. But hopefully it's a joyful union that they're entering into. Before we proceed any further, I ask if there is anyone who knows in law any reason why these persons may not marry. No, nobody's saving you. We have come together this day to witness the marriage of Kirsty and Alex. Over the last year or two, we've been journeying together, preparing, waiting for this day, emails going back and forth. Love indeed is a wonderful thing. It can send us doolally. It can make us blind at times. But the commitment of marriage isn't just for the high days when it all seems to be beautiful. Will you commit to each other? To be bonded to each other. For richer, for poorer, for sickness and in health. That love, we believe, if it is true love, continues beyond the grave, even into Stovacore. How this pairing will bear is up to you two. There is no secret to a happy marriage. but to be committed to each other, to look out for each other, to give your best to each other. And as you say today, I do. You have to say it again tomorrow. And every day you wake up on that strange new adventure, saying I do to each other.